Welcome to Growing Old, mail call.
We're growing old, the name you'll hear around, 'cause we're planting seeds in sacred ground. We cultivate with purpose, heart and soul. Cannabis as medicine, that's our goal. In our greenhouse, sunshine streams and glows.
Well, you know, we've been going for a while, so we're still going through the mail. And a while back, we entered a 50 subscriber giveaway at Couture Cannabis, and he's already over 100. And we won some of his genetics. So let's open it up and see what we got. Nice little card. And he has written us a very nice note. And what we have here is some slaps. This is for Couture Kush, Couture Cannabis, and this one is a coupon for me. But what he's given us is, we'll start back over here, some Double Bubble, some Minnesota OG, and then some stuff he doesn't like to let get out of his hands, his Couture Kush. So, you know what? We're gonna try and we're gonna squeeze these in and grow them somewhere. But hey, he's up to 124. Check his channel out and give him a chance. Thank you very much.
Bigger, strong and tall, answering nature's ancient healing call. We look to